in IUPAC system of nomenclature, name of the compound is given. Name of the compound is given as we can correlate the compound by its name. We can correlate compound with its name, and everything is mentioned clear in IUPAC system, like atoms, number of atoms, as we discussed before, functional groups, substituents, saturation and unsaturation, and unsaturation. So now rules. How actually organic compounds are named by using IUPAC system. The very first rule to remember here is, first we have to select parent chain, given organic compound which is having more number of carbon atoms. Then after, name is given via identifying functional group substituents by using specific suffixes and prefixes, and which these suffixes and prefixes gives information about functional groups, substituents, and root words. Root words represent number of carbon atoms. So, first rule to remember in IUPAC system of nomenclature is, we have to select parent chain in a given organic compound which is having more number of carbon atoms in it. Let me explain clearly. Rule 1. What is rule 1? Selecting parent chain. Parent chain which is having more number of carbon atoms. Let's take an example. Let me say this is any compound, like whatever. Let's consider this compound as X. Now let's count number of carbon atoms here. Let's count like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I number carbon atoms in this serial fashion, how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbon atoms. Now let's take same example. This is same compound. Now let's number like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So compare this with this. While I am numbering these compounds serially like this, I am getting 6 carbon atoms, 6 number of carbon atoms. While I am numbering in this fashion, I am getting 8 carbon atoms. In this, 6 carbon atoms. So according to our first rule of IUPAC nomenclature, first rule is selecting parent chain having more number of carbon atoms. Now this has 6 number of carbon atoms, this has 8 number of carbon atoms. Hence this becomes our parent chain. This do not become parent chain. We should not number like this. This will be wrong and this will be right, because first rule to remember is selecting parent chain with more number of carbon atoms, like this. If I number like this, I am getting 8 carbon atoms. If I number like this, I am getting 6 carbon atoms. Hence, this become the parent chain, this do not become the parent chain, this will be wrong. Rule number 1. We have discussed while naming a compound following IUPAC system, functional groups and substituents, homologous series, etc. are mentioned. These are mentioned by using prefixes and suffixes, and number of carbon atoms mentioned by using root word.